In this video, I am going to be unboxing a microphone which was sent to me by this company in China called Mirabox. So it's a very affordable microphone from what I've seen a couple of reviews of this microphone on YouTube also. So it's perfect for those who are starting out. If you're starting to make content on YouTube. So I haven't tested it out personally yet, but from what I've seen, it seems pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly unpack all this and do the unboxing first, and then once I've used it for a couple of videos, I'll post a review on it also. So let's get straight to it. So I am done with the first step, and let's see what's inside. It's actually quite heavy, has a very heavy feel to it. So a microphone stand. So I guess this is, if you want to put it on your desk, probably something like this. Yeah, but a lot heavier. This is plastic and this is metal, so it's actually very heavy and has very steady feel to it. And the three legs are adjustable, so that's pretty cool. And then haven't seen this before in a microphone, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, let's put this on the side for now. And this is what probably attaches to this, and this is probably where the microphone is fixed. Yeah, so let's get to the main course, shall we? Yeah, there you go. So again, very heavy. It doesn't feel, it says it's affordable, but it doesn't have that cheap feel to it. And here are the controls to the volume and the bass. And I see this button and 3 light levels, so I guess it lights up. If it does, it's pretty cool. And yeah, so looks pretty cool. I'm tempted to start my own podcast now. So this attaches on. Yeah, and I'm really excited to see whether this whole thing lights up, because if it does, then that'll be pretty cool. So why not just try it out now. So okay, so this I probably need to tighten up. Yeah, so let me see if it lights up, because like I said, if it does, it'll be quite cool to see. So this goes in there. Let me see if I can find a place to plug this in. Oh wow, so it does light up, and I think it has different levels to it. Okay, I get it. So it's green when it's working, and I think it's reacting to my voice. And if I press it once, it goes on mute. Hello, hello. So now it's not reacting to my voice. Ah, that's pretty cool. So again, I haven't tested out what the sound quality is like. I'll do that in the next couple of videos. In fact, like I said, I'll make a couple of videos using this microphone. It looks promising to me, and I hope it sounds just as good as it feels and just as good as it looks. And yeah, so this was my second unboxing video. Not the best, I know. But yeah, let me know if you like it, and I'll leave a link to this microphone. You can get this on Amazon, and I'll see if you can get this on AliExpress also. So yeah, I will try it out and let you know my first-hand experience of this microphone, of the quality, and then I'll let you guys be the judge of it. So what I have been using for all my videos is the Rode Wireless Go. Okay, this is the one that I am using. This is top-notch, so I haven't had any issues with this. But what this is like, this is something we'll have to wait and find out. So yeah, let's see. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.